I'm sure you enjoyed the drone shots of Sindhu Vanam. It's beautiful, isn't it? Lush green environment. I like it personally. See, I've been recording videos from last 1 year, and Sindhu Vanam was one of the videos which got most views in my channel. And a lot of people, they were inspired to come and visit and buy an apartment in Sindhu Vanam as well. So today I thought, let me check the impact what my channel is creating in society. So with that intention, I am recording this video. So in this video, I got a chance finally to speak with 3 families who have bought an apartment in Sindhuvanam inspired by our video. And let's take a feedback what they are feeling after buying an apartment here. As well as I got a chance to review the progress of the work as well. Because I recorded a video 6 months ago. Now after 6 months, let's see what is the work update going on with Sindhuvanam apartment, right? So let's go and review both of these aspects.
Hi.
So your good name, sir and madam?
Yes, this is Dr. Anubhav Mukherjee.
Dr. Anubhav. And ma'am?
I am Dr. Aritra Lahiri.
Okay, Dr. Aritra Lahiri. Okay. So first question what I have for you is, see, I have visited this place couple of times. Yeah. I have my own reasons to buy it. But I want to know from you, like what made you buy an apartment in Sindhuvan or Sindhuvanam project?
Okay, first of all, we always have thought of to have something in the lush green, in the lap of nature. At the same time, we also needed to access the city life.
Okay.
So it's the perfect match altogether. Okay. And the view from our apartment is actually marvelous. So that's the first reason.
Okay.
And the second reason is, of course, the relation that we had with the builder, the developer here, Mr. Vijay.
Okay.
So that also is lucrative.
Okay. So greenery is one reason. So
yes.
you are a nature lover.
Yeah, of course.
You have kids?
Yeah.
Okay. You want them to grow in this lush green.
Yes. Absolutely.
Okay.
Yes.
Lovely. And you said about the relationship. So can you please elaborate a little on the relationship?
Yeah. The first time we met, the vibration actually matched. I mean, see, money and these things will come and go, but the human relation that we started, having with Mr. Vijay is actually very much beneficial for both of us.
Okay. Was affordability also one of the reasons for you to purchase an apartment here?
Yeah, of course.
Of course, obviously. So that was one major factor.
Okay. Because in a cost of 2 BHK, you got 2 BHK.
Yeah.
Can I say that?
Yeah.
Okay. It is close by. In fact, it's visible if you see.
Yeah.
It looks like a hill, but there's a small phobia we all have, like dump-yard is close by. Should we really buy it? So did you have the thought as well in your mind when you're buying this?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
And
So being scientists, I think that was the first thought.
that was the con, one of the cons that came in our mind. So I got it checked with Mr. Vijay as well. The first question they asked from my end, from our end, that there's a dump yard and how do you endorse that?
Exactly.
And he said not to worry about that. The quality of water that we are having is actually better than the 80% of the water in the groundwater in the city. So I said, having said that, I always have the opportunity to get it tested. Because I have access to many labs, so I can get it tested from anywhere.
Exactly.
And he said, okay, please go ahead. I don't mind.
Okay. And smell issue? How about the smell issue?
The odor is not there. I didn't find any bad odor.
Even now, right?
Even now.
I'm smelling and seeing. I don't see any odor as such.
The odor is not there. It's not there. We have been actually in this place for many times, at least 4 times, 3-4 times
yes.
easily.
So never you had
We never had this bad odor.
So people who are worried about the dump-yard and the smell and all, they need not worry.
No.
Yeah.
And scientists are telling it, so you have to believe them.
Yes,
and they own 2 flats, not 1, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Number 1 is the pungent odor is not there,
Yeah.
and also the lakes and the ponds.
Yeah,
he said like the inside wall is also coated, so there is a less chance of leaching. Also, there is second thing, and we always have the
access to labs to get it tested.
To get it tested anytime. Yeah.
Madam, hi. Welcome to Riskless Real Estate.
హాయ్ అండి నమస్తే
సో మేడం గారు సింధువనంలో ఒక అపార్ట్మెంట్ తీసుకున్నారు సింధువనంలో.
తీసుకున్నానండి.
సో ఎంత ఎస్ఎఫ్టీ తీసుకున్నారు మేడం?
404.
404 ఎస్ఎఫ్టీ స్టూడియో అపార్ట్మెంట్ తీసుకున్నారు.
అవునండి.
సో వాట్ వర్ యువర్ రీజన్స్ టు బై హియర్? మీకు ఎందుకు కొనాలనిపించింది ఇక్కడ?
అవుట్ సైడ్ గ్రీనరీ దెన్ సిటీకి అవుట్స్కట్స్లో తీసుకోవాలనే కోరిక. నియర్ ఓఆర్ఆర్ ఉంది.
నియర్ ఓఆర్ఆర్ ఉంది, ఇన్సైడ్ ఓఆర్ఆర్ ఉంది.
అవునవును, ఇన్సైడ్ ఓఆర్ఆర్. నెక్స్ట్ స్వామినారాయణ స్కూల్ కూడా పక్కనే ఉంది.
ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ,
చిన్న పిల్లలకి ఇంపార్టెంట్ అది. అండ్
సో యూ హావ్ ఎ డాటర్?
ఐ హ్యావ్ ఎ స్మాల్ డాటర్, 6 years.
6 years old daughter. Okay, so మీకు పాపకి ఇక్కడ మంచి స్కూల్ ఉంది. సో మీకు ఓకే, దట్ వాస్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద రీజన్స్.
అండ్ ప్లే స్కూల్ అన్నీ నియర్ గానే ఉన్నాయి. స్కూల్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ పిల్లలకి.
అవును, ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ.
సో అది నియర్ గానే ఉంది. నెక్స్ట్ లోపలే ఒక చిన్న పార్క్ కూడా ఉంది పిల్లలు ఆడుకోవడానికి. ఇంకెక్కడికి వెళ్ళాల్సిన అవసరం కూడా లేదు.
ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ.
ఎవ్రీథింగ్ స్విమ్మింగ్,
గేటెడ్ కమ్యూనిటీ, సెక్యూరిటీ పరంగా బాగుంటుంది, పార్క్స్ ఉన్నాయి, స్కూల్ ఉంది, గ్రీనరీ ఉంది. సో
టెన్షన్ ఉండదు కదా.
టెన్షన్ ఉండదు. అన్ని ప్రొఫెషన్ మేడం, మీరు ఏం చేస్తుంటారు?
FM ఆర్జే అండి, రేడియో జాకీ.
ఓకే, రేడియో జాకీ. వావ్.
అబుదాబి, నాట్ ఫ్రమ్ ఇండియా.
ఓకే, అబుదాబిలో తెలుగు ఛానల్ విచ్ యు ఆపరేట్?
మలయాళం, తెలుగు, హిందీ, ఇంగ్లీష్. లైక్ ఐ నో 9 languages.
ఓ, కెన్ యు టాక్ ఇన్ మలయాళం?
కండిపా నవ్వేసు.
ఓకే, సో యువర్ మదర్ టంగ్ ఇస్ తెలుగు?
తెలుగు అండి.
బట్ యు స్పీక్ 9 languages?
ఎస్, ఐ స్పీక్ 9 languages.
ఓకే, వావ్. సో సింధువనంలో ఏ లాంగ్వేజ్ తెలుగులో మాట్లాడినారా?
సింధువనం నాతో తెలుగులో పలకరించింది కాబట్టి నేను తెలుగులో మాట్లాడాను. లైక్ ఐ టెల్ దమ్ విజయరావు ఈజ్ వెరీ నైస్ పర్సన్.
ఓకే, ఓకే.
అండ్ వినోద్ సార్,
ఓకే,
వాళ్ళ కోఆర్డినేషన్ నాకు బాగా నచ్చింది.
ఓకే, ఓకే.
సో దట్ ఐ టు
యు ఆర్ హ్యాపీ బయింగ్ హియర్?
వెరీ మచ్ హ్యాపీ ఫర్
వెరీ మచ్ హ్యాపీ. ఓకే, లవ్లీ మ్యామ్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. ఎనీ పాయింట్స్, ఎనీథింగ్ యూ వాంట్ టు షేర్ టు యువర్?
ఎవరైనా కొనుక్కోవాలనుకుంటే ఇక్కడే కొనుక్కోండి, ఇది మాత్రం.
ఎందుకు ఇక్కడ కొనుక్కోవాలి?
చాలా అంటే ఓఆర్కి చాలా నియర్ ఉందండి.
అవును.
మీకు ఏంటంటే ప్రతి ఒక్కరు కూడా సిటీలో రౌండ్ చేసి ఆ ట్రాఫిక్ ఇరిటేట్ అవుతారు, హెసిటేట్ అవుతారు ఫస్ట్ ఇంటికి వెళ్ళడానికి. ఇదేంటంటే సిటీ అవుట్స్కట్స్ అయినా మనకి చాలా నియర్ రోడ్స్ బ్రాడ్ ఉన్నాయి. అండ్ గ్రీనరీ ఎక్కువ ఉంది. ప్రెసెంట్ బయట ఉన్న పొల్యూషన్కి పీస్ ఆఫ్ మైండ్ దొరుకుతుంది ఇక్కడ. ఎవరైనా కోరుకునేది ఇంట్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు రిలాక్స్గా ఉండాలనుకుంటాం. బయట ఎంత హెసిటేట్స్ ఉన్నా, ఎంత పొల్యూషన్ డిస్టర్బెన్సెస్ ఉన్నా, మీకు అదే ఇన్నర్ ద సిటీ లోపలికి వెళ్ళిపోయాం అనుకోండి, చాలా డిస్టర్బ్. ఇంటికి వెళ్ళాక కూడా ఆ సౌండ్స్ మీకు అదే
ఆ పీస్ ఇక్కడ మీకు కనిపించింది.
ఇక్కడ నాకు చాలా పీస్ ఆఫ్ మైండ్ చాలా కనపడింది.
సో పీస్ కావాల్సిన వాళ్ళు ఇక్కడ కొనుక్కోవచ్చు అంటారు?
ఎస్. ఓకే, పీస్ ఆఫ్ మైండ్ కావాలంటే సింధువనంకి రండి.
అది మీరు తమిళ్లో చెప్పండి ఒకసారి.
కండిపా நீங்கள் సింధువనంకి వారంగా.
మలయాళం చెప్పండి.
ఎందుకు అన్ని లాంగ్వేజ్?
మలయాళం వాళ్ళు కూడా ఉంటారు కదా అని.
ഓ വെരി നൈസ്. ഹായ് വണക്കം, ഞാൻ പേര് സുരേഖ പെരോയ. ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു സിന്ധുവാനമാണ് ഇരിക്കില്ല, അങ്ങനെ നീ കണ്ടിപ്പാ ഇങ്ങ വരുവാണ്.
ఓకే, నాకేం అర్థం కాలేదు, బట్ మలయాళం కైతే కూడా అండర్స్టాండ్ దట్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ మేడం. హిందీలో కూడా చెప్పండి. हिंदी में ही बोलिए आप.
हाय ऑल, मेरा नाम सुरेखा. सिंधुवनम करके एक अच्छा जगह है, पीस ऑफ माइंड चाहिए तो इधर आके एक घर ले लिए.
Thank you so much madam. Thank you so much. It was fun interacting with you. With Ashish and Sonal. Hi guys.
Hi. Hello.
So they have bought an apartment in Sindhuvanam project. So Ashish, I want to ask you, okay, so what made you take a decision of buying an apartment in Sindhuvan?
Obviously, the interesting part of the story is that Sindhuvan was actually discovery of my wife, so I'll give the credit to Sonal for discovering that, because I was looking for something for investment in Hyderabad itself.
Okay.
And then
So you work for IT?
Yeah, I work with Genpact, so it's a back office company, so involved into IT as well.
Okay.
So like I told, like during a casual conversation to Sonal, I asked her that I have, like maybe we can invest in another home. We already have one home. We can invest in another home. And then probably she was watching a YouTube video. I think that was probably your channel only. I think.
Riskless real estate.
Yeah,
channel,
riskless real estate. And then she 1 a.m. in the night she sent me with her WhatsApp message ki check this out. Can I check it out? I liked the presentation that was made again about the project, the vision the builder had at that point in time.
Exactly.
Probably I can see it coming in front of my eyes. So which probably led me to like explore this opportunity. I came here like on a Sunday evening, and I think by the second visit we were like sorted in our minds that we would want to go with it. I brought my family, my wife, my both kids. They also loved the place, and I think the third time we came, I think we just gave the check and we were done.
Lovely.
Actual trees were like transported and replanted, so that attracted us. So again, the whole greenery and all that flora, fauna, again open spaces. Again,
open spaces. Okay.
Open spaces was one that attracted us. Slowly, obviously, as the more buildings would come up, it would grow. The family would grow. But again, I think till that time, probably we'll have that luxury of having that unobscure view of the environment and flora, fauna, plus the open spaces. Again, the children would be safe. It's so
exactly.
And again, the second part is within Hyderabad, it looks like it's outside Hyderabad.
Exactly. It's inside outer ring road, but it looks little.
Exactly. So within Hyderabad, you have your own city developed there. So that's more like
exactly. It's a gated community. You have all the basics taken care of, the greenery.
Not that much of noise, but yet within the city as well, not pollution. Things are like nearby itself. So acted with Vineet a lot, and then again with Vijay uncle. It never looked like a builder-buyer relationship or a client-clientee relationship. Like it was more of a family kind of thing. Whenever I had some request, they always accepted it. They always accommodated me, I would say, whether in terms of payment or any other thing. So it never felt like that no, they were like only professionals wanting money from me. Nothing of that sort. So wherever they are, I think I'll give kudos to them to understanding my situation and again accommodating me as well, never pushing me for anything, always amenable to my requests as well. So yeah, more of a family now, to be honest.
Welcome back, Vineet. Nice to meet you again.
Thank you so much for having me, Saurabh.
Yeah, so I can see the work happening at a quite faster pace.
Good.
So are we as per the schedule?
Yeah. In fact, we're actually doing better than what we've expected and ahead of our planning schedule.
Okay.
And firstly, before we start, I'd like to thank you and your channel, Riskless Real Estate. Ever since our last video, we've got a huge, amazing response from all your viewers. And we've got over like probably 2,000 people who were interested in the project, who've come, visited us and gave us a lot of feedback and everything. And thanks to that response, we've actually even close to sold out most of our apartments in Sindhu One. In fact, we have very few apartments remaining.
Exactly. The apartments are also almost at the stage of ready.
Correct. So all the first and second floor, most of it is done.
Even the plumbing, electrical is going on.
Yeah, plumbing, electrical is done till the third floor.
Oh, okay.
So we're probably 70% of the work has been completed, and we have tiling and interior finishes is the only thing remaining, which we're probably gonna start later this month.
So next 5-6 months we can expect.
Yeah. By April, our target is to finish it by April and hand it over.
So I'm sure even you know, right? It is the most watched video in my channel. As you said, 2,000 people have showed interest in visiting this place, and it's almost sold out. So anything else you're coming up with in this venture?
Okay, so because of the response and all the feedback that we got from mainly your viewers, we're coming up with Sindhu 2, which we've already procured the RERA and HMDA permission for.
Okay, lovely.
And that's going to be mainly studio and 1 BHK apartments.
Okay, studio and 1 BHK. This was studios and 2 BHKs.
2 BHKs.
Okay. So what size is the Sindhu 2? Where is it exactly? This is where Sindhu 1 is?
So this is where Sindhu 1 is.
Okay.
Sindhu 2 is just on the other side.
This is the park.
This is the park.
And adjacent to the park.
Yeah, right next to the park, pretty close by.
Okay.
So in fact, it's actually closer to our eastern gate in Sindhuvanam layout.
Okay, nice. So what are the sizes there in Sindhu 2?
So Sindhu 2, the studios, we have two kind of studios. One is 412 SFT, the other is 462 SFT.
Okay.
And then 1 BHK is 555 SFT.
1 BHK.
Correct.
That's it. There is no 2 BHK.
And we have a 1.5 BHK.
1.5 BHK.
1.5 BHK is 682 SFT.
682 SFT. Okay. And see now, because I can see Sindhu 2 is coming, so any other further plans here?
Yeah, in fact, we're actually planning Sindhu 3, 4, 5, 6 also.
Oh, lovely.
So we're even applying, some of them we've already applied for HMDA permissions. We're in process of procuring most of the permissions.
Okay, Sindhu 2, Sindhu 1 is almost at the verge of conclusion.
Correct.
Sindhu 2, you got permission, sales have started already.
Sales have started and even the work has started in fact.
Work has started.
Yeah,
Okay.
work
so
is
Sindhu
commencing
3,
right
you
now.
are applying the permission. Sindhu 3, Sindhu 4, Sindhu 5.
And till 6.
6. And I heard that there is a commercial complex coming. So today you said there was a puja, inauguration, right?
Correct. In fact, we just had the puja today.
Yes, you told me, yeah.
And then we finished the puja and we're going to complete it. We're going to start the project probably in the next month.
So what is this commercial complex? Like why is it for?
So the main idea of this commercial complex is to provide services, for example, and essentials for everyone who's staying in Sindhuvanam.
Okay.
And in Sindhuvanam and on the surrounding
it's a block,
areas.
like how many floors and...
So it's going to be a G+3.
G+3,
Where the first two floors are going to be completely of shops.
Lovely.
And then we're going to have like the essentials, for example, some basic clothes, basic kirana store, and then probably a medical shop, and also then vegetable shops and everything. So everything that you need to...
So it's already the spaces, where is it exactly located?
So it's probably like a 5-minute walk from here in Sindhuvanam layout itself.
Okay.
It's inside the layout.
Just walkable.
Yeah, it's 5 minutes walk from the apartments here.
Nice. So it is going to become a real gated community with all amenities.
Yeah, very soon.
Nice. Okay, so shall we explore this and see?
Yeah, sure, please.
Okay. it was pleasure meeting you again.
Thank you so
and
much,
see
sir.
the progress of the work. And phase 2 you said already started.
Correct. The work's already in progress.
Okay, and approvals are in place.
Yeah, we got all the approvals for from HMDA, the local municipality, and RERA also.
Okay, lovely. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment box. And you would have seen people what they're saying about their experience of buying an apartment here. So obviously you've missed the chance buying here. So at least you have an option of buying in Sindhu 2, Sindhu 3, Sindhu 4. But yeah, Sindhu 2 is something which is concrete. Already permissions are in
They
place.
still might have one last chance in buying the few apartments that I
Okay.
hear.
Last, there are few which is left.
Very few remaining.
Okay.
So-
In case you want to buy, there are few here as well. And then Sindhu 2, obviously you have a lot of options. If you're buying for looking for a studio, you have some options in Sindhu.
Sindhu 2.
Yeah. Okay.
And for those who miss out on that, we have Sindhu 3, 4, 5, 6 coming up too. But
Exactly. So you're looking to buy some apartment in Sindhu Vanam. You have a lot of options is what Vinod is trying to say. If you want to get more details, you can reach out to us. In the description, you can see a lot of numbers. And as well as I'm giving a form as well, you can fill the form. Someone from Vinod's team will reach out.
Sure.
And they'll guide you on how to buy a flat in Sindhu Vanam.
done.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Vinod. It was a pleasure meeting you.
Thank you
I'll
so
see you
much for
soon
coming, sir.
in the next
Done.
video. Thank you so much.